Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Nord CE 5 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find wallpapers and style. Then let's scroll down again a little bit to find this wallpapers section and tap on it. So here we've been transferred to the full list of pre-installed wallpapers from which we can choose. At the top we've got the also option album, so we can enter our own files and set our own photo as a wallpaper. But let me choose something from the pre-installed ones, and basically all you have to do is to find the wallpaper which you'd like to apply and then tap on it. It will immediately appear on the full screen, so if you're happy with your choice, just tap on apply to. And now you can decide where you want to set it, so as a lock screen, home screen, or both. And I will choose both options, so let me tap on it. And here we've got the preview of the lock screen and the home screen. Moreover, in the lock screen we cannot really do that, but in the home screen we've got this option wallpaper color. Let's simply tap on it, and as you can see, we can also set either the gradient or solid color. So it's up to you. I just wanted to show you that you can do it here, or you can simply tap on match lock screen to again apply the same wallpaper. So if you're happy with the result, just tap on apply in the right upper corner. Now we can go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.